Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello good people, welcome back to Shifting News, a wonderful channel on the ground to bring you amazing views and create wonderful shows from different places, cities, countries, and touching on different personalities that are shaping the way we live. And this is our journey to 5k subscribers, and we ask you to continue subscribing and support us. And in this video, we are supposed to bring you the fireworks for Uhuru Park during the ceremony, but unfortunately the ceremony has been postponed. So we shall keep you updated once we get other news for the event. Be sure to watch this video until the end, like it, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all updates once we upload a new video. Thank you and continue watching.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
thank you all to our supporters. You are the true people who are giving us the strength to continue going to shoot these videos. And from the video you saw about the aerial views of Uhuru Park, you can really attest that this park has been renovated and it's world class. It's looking very wonderful. And we anticipated to see the fireworks, but unfortunately it has been postponed. And as you can see from the lights, it looks wonderful. And a special mention of one of our top fans, Trevor Morara. Thank you for supporting us always, and you can be sure we always read what you write, and we shall be going to the places you have suggested. So to all those who wish to do business with us, kindly check our contacts in the description below, and be sure to like this video and share it, subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all updates once we do a new video. So continue watching this video to see some of the aspects, and this is at night, so I hope you enjoy it, and thank you. Thank you for watching this video up to this far. It has been a disappointment in disguise, and many people are anticipating for the official commissioning of the Uhuru Park, but they have been disappointed. I hope you have watched the people they were leaving very disappointed, but we live to see it another day. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all updates once we upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.